Welcome to Quick Revision, where we post a past exam question every day to support you getting ready for your GCSE exams. How does it work? Well, it's really, really simple. You just pause on the question, give it a go, play for the solution, and if things haven't gone as well as you'd have liked and you need a full walkthrough, then you just carry on watching the video. If you like what we're trying to do here, please hit the like and subscribe button. Hi, today's question has come from a non-calculator hire paper. I would suggest this is grade 6. I want you to read through the detail carefully. Think about what do I know and how can I use it? Hit pause, have a good go, and press play when you're ready to see the solution. Okay, so this is a percent question. The minute that I see a percentage in a question, I do my 2-tick test. So I give it a tick for having a percentage, and then if there's an increase or a decrease, it gets a second tick. 2 ticks means original times multiplier equals result will help me solve this question, guaranteed. So the 2-tick test for that formula is great for percentage questions. Now, the question is saying that Q is 50% more than P. So let's think about that multiplier. 100% plus 50% is 150%. We don't work in percentages, so we'll write that as a decimal. Let's say that the volume of P equals 1. If the volume of P equals 1, then I have 1 times 1.5, which gives me 1.5. That is now my volume of Q. To go from Q to R, we've got the exact same thing happening, 50% more. So 1.5 for Q times 1.5 the multiplier. Now, it is non-calculator. I ignore the decimals, work on 15 times 15, using whatever method you use, obviously, and then I would put my decimal back in. So it's 2.25. So I've done my Q times by the multiplier to get 2.25 for R. We're being asked to put P as a fraction of the volume of R. So that's 1 over 2.25. I can't have that decimal in my fraction, so I'm going to multiply through by 100, which will give me 100 over 225. And that is the answer. We're not being asked to simplify it, but you can. And if you did, you would have ended up with 4/9 as a final answer. And both would get you full marks. Okay, so a tricky one. They're not easy, and not assigning your number 1 in the first place isn't necessarily something that's obvious to do. So I hope that's really, really helped. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.